The LED bulbs of the Spark series by ODX are the perfect alternative in between the high-performance LED kits and regular halogen bulbs. They are the same size as regular bulbs, which makes them very easy to install. With 1250 lumens of power each, you have 2 times more power than regular halogen bulbs while having a bright white light of 6500K. Having the LED chips positioned on each side of the bulb creates a lighting effect projecting to the road that won't blind other drivers when properly installed. They are completely made of aluminum, which ensures high durability and high capacity cooling. They are sold individually with a wide variety of applications available. A complete list is available on our website.